My plans for the awesome new Toyota Tundra. Well, my new Toyota Tundra. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rob Motive FST. If you haven't heard yet, I've got a brand new Toyota Tundra. The 2021. It's not the redesigned, obviously, because you can't get it yet. So what am I going to do with this new Tundra? What are my plans? Well, first of all, I'm going to pull off up here and I'm going to take some pictures. Let you guys see a better montage of what I've got right here. Isn't she gorgeous? Anyway, I just wanted to show you a few pictures right off the bat. I haven't really taken a lot of pictures of it yet, strangely enough. But that's it. Of course, it is a 2021 Toyota Tundra. It is the SR5 CrewMax with the TSS off-road package on it. Love it, love the truck. I did go black, as you can see, of course. Man, I hate black and I love black. Black is the absolute best color you can have for any vehicle, but the absolute worst because it shows everything. And when it gets a scratch in the right light, in any light, you can see those little micro scratches and stuff. But either way, love the black color on the truck. So, as I mentioned, what am I going to do with it? What are my plans? Well, as I talked about earlier on in the channel, the idea was to get a 2022 redesigned Tundra for the channel to test out, try and all that stuff. And that still is the plan. But I've become a little skeptical as to whether or not a normal person like me is going to be able to put their hands on a 2022 this year, which I think not. From what I'm hearing from both people at the Toyota dealership as well as people out in the real world, just normal people, I guess, and things that they're hearing, talking to people, is that it won't be available until sometime next year in the March to August time frame. Well, I'm not waiting that long. Obviously, I didn't wait that long because we're in one right now. So my plan is still to get one. It would be to trade this one off on the next one, although at this point, I'm not sure exactly when that will be because I don't know when I'll be able to put my hands on one. And I might actually wait just a little bit longer just to see what they put out and how reliable it is. You know, while unreliable vehicles do make good content, I mean, everybody loves misery apparently, I don't want one. I don't want to be sitting in the shop because obviously I can't be doing anything to it if it's sitting in the shop with Toyota doing something to it. We'll see. As far as mods go, you know, that's what I do. It's what I'm about. It's what I am. And of course there will be mods on this channel. I have already started. If you've checked out, you know, some of the more recent videos, I've already done, what, 1, 2, 3, I think 3 things to the truck already. And I've only had it, what, a week? Maybe not even a week just yet. So there will obviously be mods. A lift, I would say probably. Different tires, I would say, well, if you're going to lift it, you have to put on different tires. I mean, they have to be a little bit bigger, right? The chrome. We have to address the chrome. And people have already started commenting about the chrome on the front of the truck, as well as other bits and pieces. And again, I've already done some chrome deletion, so check out those videos if you haven't yet and you want to see. But there will be more chrome deletion on the front. I already have something in the works. It's going to be, I think, different than what I've done before, actually. As it turns out, there's something else available that I can put my hands on that I don't think I could before, or at least I don't know why I didn't. So I do have something coming for that. Have to get rid of it. One of the reasons that I went with this particular truck, this particular trim level or model, is because the rear bumpers are already blacked out. which I liked. That gives me half of the work that I want to do, right? And don't get me wrong, I don't mind doing it, and it's decent content for the channel, but I've already done it. What I'm doing to the front should be a little bit different than what I've done before. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Other things, cold air intakes, probably. I mean, you know, TRD exhaust, yeah, maybe. I mean, you know, I think the TRD exhaust is built for the V8. It sounds really good on the Tundra. I really like the exhaust note that you get out of the exhaust. So, yeah, twist my arm. There'll probably be something coming eventually. Now, these aren't things that are going to be done all at the same time, obviously. I mean, there's only one of me. So, also, probably the skid plate. You know, I have the painted skid plate on my Toyota Tacoma with the custom lettering in it. I really like that on the truck, and I think with a lift, it would look really good on the Tundra too. Of course, the demon brackets with the shackles. You know, I'm going to have to do something with that. You know, I was the first one to do that on the web, and it came out really, really well on the Tacoma. So I think I'm going to have to do something on the Tundra with that. Which brings me to another point, and hopefully I'm not rambling here. I'm just trying to answer questions that people have been asking me already. But something else I have to decide, and I have to decide this pretty early on, is what color scheme am I going to go with? You know, do I want an all blacked out black truck? You know, not really. Not really. I like that. I really do, but it's been done. I'm not looking to do that. So I do want to add some other accent color to the truck, something else that pops. And I've been kicking around a few things. You know, I thought about blue, and then I realized how horrible that would be. I thought about, should I say it, pink? But I just can't do pink, I'm sorry. Nothing wrong with it if you like it, it's just not me. Orange, I thought about orange. That's a possibility, that's a possibility. I thought about cherry black, you know, some kind of a red with a black hue to it. Problem there is trying to find it. You know, nobody makes anything in that color, so I would either have to customize everything I get, assuming I could find the color, you know, like in a rattle can or something, or go with just red, and that is another option. Yellow, yeah, yellow and black go pretty good together, so that's a contender, but honestly, probably not a strong contender. So that's kind of what I'm looking at as far as accent colors go. Excuse me. Probably leaning towards red, and I know it's not that different. A lot of people do black and red, or maybe even gold. You know, gold wouldn't be so bad either. I do like trucks with the gold or bronze wheels. That's not a bad look on black either. So I have a lot of options out there. I do have something coming which is going to help me to narrow down one of them, the red. So we'll see how that goes. That'll really clue me in, I think, as to what direction I want to go in. We shall see. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here. I don't want to ramble on anymore, but I'm so excited to have another Tundra and to get going on the mods and stuff. Again, I love doing it. It should be a whole lot of fun. Leave a comment. Let me know. What would you like to see? I'd be curious. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.